how to create custom workflows using MyHub. So starting off, what is MyHub? MyHub allows SREs to connect to their kiosk hubs directly from their GitHub repos. The SREs can then customize their experiments and use them in the portal as custom workflows. So here we can see that initially we have one MyHub present, which is the kiosk hub. And this is actually similar to the public hub that we have over here. We have all the experiments here, like of different categories like generic, OpenEBS, Cassandra, Kafka, CoreDNS. Similarly, in the portal, we can click on the view button to view the experiments in a particular hub. So we can see that we have all the experiments over here as well. So in the portal, we also have a functionality to filter out the experiments. Like if I click on generic, we'll see only the generic experiments. Similarly, for other categories, like for example, if I click on Cube AWS, we have the AWS experiments here, like EC2 terminate, EBS loss, etc. So let me select one of the experiment, the pod delete. So here we can see the name of the experiment and a short description. Like pod delete contains chaos to disrupt state of Kubernetes resources and everything related to description. We also have a tutorial video where you can see how the experiment is run. And we have few options here, like installing the chaos experiment, setting up a service account, the RBAC account, and sample chaos engine link. So now what I'll do is I'll connect to my own personal MyHub. So I'll go here, I'll give a name to the MyHub. Let me give it a name, and I'll copy the GitHub URL. So this is my GitHub account, and I have already pushed some charts into my repo. Like I have few categories here, like the generic ones. So let me copy the URL, and I'll clone the master branch. So it's cloning the repo. So we can see a new kiosk hub is successfully created. So here we can see that a new kiosk hub has been created amidst private hub that I just created now. I can view it, and you can actually see that all the experiments that I have in my repository are actually visible here. So like for example, we have the Cassandra and the core DNS and all the experiments which are present here, the Cassandra, the core DNS, similarly the generic one. So we can view all the configurations of the experiments as well, like everything, the videos and the description as well. So this is the demo on the MyHub. Now I'll show how we can create a custom workflow using the MyHubs. So we'll start on scheduling the workflow. We have chosen the self cluster which is available. Now we have the option to create our own workflow, the custom one. These are all the predefined workflows that are present. So I'll go with the custom workflow creation. So now we have entered this custom workflow creation section. So here we have two options, like using experiments from MyHub or uploading the YAML file. So for now, I'll be demoing how we can create a custom workflow with the MyHub. So we have an option to choose from the different MyHubs that are present. So currently we can see that we have the default kiosk hub and the amidst private hub that I have added just now. So I'll add this hub for now. And here we have the option to choose the experiments. So it will list down all the experiments that are present in this particular MyHub. So let me go ahead with the pod delete, and the namespace by default is set to litmus, and you can actually change it for your preference. So I'll go next, and we have several configurations over here for the experiments. So for the generic pod delete, we have like the app info of the experiment, like we can change the app namespace, the label, or the kind, or the annotation check. Similarly, we have the environment variables here, like the total chaos duration is 30, chaos interval is 10, force is false. We can actually add a key value pair according to our need. For now, for the demo purpose, I'll be keeping it to the default values. I'll add the experiment. Now what I can do is add a set of experiments over here. So I'll go ahead and add a new experiment in this workflow. So previously I had the pod delete experiment. I'll try to add one more experiment. Let's go with the pod CPU hog. So similarly, we have the configuration of the pod CPU hog experiment as well. Like the target container is Nginx, the CPU core is 1, the total chaos duration is 60. So I'll add this experiment as well. So now we can see that in this particular workflow, we have two experiments. So one functionality that we have added is to give a proper sequence to the workflow. Like if I select one of the experiment and shift it down, we can see that the pod CPU hog will execute first and then the pod delete. Similarly, if we have multiple number of experiments, we can actually make a particular sequence according to our requirement. So for now, we'll go with pod CPU hog to execute first and the pod delete. Now I'll click on this finish add experiments. So I can see that a YAML is generated. We have the experiments over here, the pod CPU hog and the pod delete, and we have the configurations over here. This one is for the, this one is for the pod CPU hog, and similarly we have the configuration for pod CPU, pod delete. Here we have the pod delete. So I'll click the next button, and we can see that the tests that are present here are pod CPU hog, like 10 points, I'll reduce it to 7, and pod delete, I'll go with the default 10. Click next, I'll click the schedule now, and I'll click the finish. So we can see that the custom chaos workflow that we have created from the MyHub is running, and it will take a few minutes to get completed, and we can actually visualize the working of the workflow here. So any questions? Just open the chat. So it might take some time to finish. So I would like you guys to definitely check this feature out. It's pretty useful, and share your feedbacks with us. So that's it.
Hey Amit, this is Karthik. Can you explain the resilience grading, the points system that you just showed?
Yeah, sure. So let me select one of the experiment. Yeah, so we have given some tests in this experiment, and we can select different points over here. Like these points will be calculated with the probes. Uh, Once like we have selected here as 7 points, we have some probes in the litmus experiments, which will give you the total resilience scores once it has been completely executed, and we'll be adding it in the next few releases. So that's it. Yeah, Karthik, I hope was
Thanks, Amit.
so we can visualize this. One second. Yeah, we can see that the pod CPU hog has been completed, and now we have the pod delete one running. It might take a few minutes to get completed. Yeah, we can see that the pod delete has also completed, and now it will do the reward chaos. Yeah, so the workflow has successfully completed, and we can click on each of the node to get the workflow details. So we can see here that the executed nodes are the custom chaos workflow node, the pod CPU, the install chaos experiment, the pod delete, and the revert chaos. So this is how we can actually run the custom chaos workflows from MyHubs. Yeah. So